Hey guys, hope you watched the first video of how you can create your Airtel virtual Mastercard. If you haven't, there's a link down in the description. You can click on it and you learn how you can create your Airtel virtual Mastercard. Now in this video, we are going to learn how you can check for the details in your Airtel virtual Mastercard. Because after creating your Airtel virtual Mastercard, it's going to show you success, but there's nowhere where you're going to see a message which is going to be displaying for you the details in your Airtel virtual Mastercard. That's why this code is necessary. Now here is the code which you press. Now this is the code which you press. You can note it down. So after, you choose Airtel. So now here you put in your mobile money pin, and once you put in your mobile money pin, you will receive a message, and you go into your message and you receive a message like this. Once you receive this message, you click on the link in this message. So this link will take you to this site like this. Now here are the details in your Airtel virtual Mastercard. Here is the card number, here is the expire date, and here is the CVV. Now these are the details which you're going to go and put in here like this. Now when you want to purchase something online, you just put money on your mobile money account, and once you have put in the details in your Airtel virtual Mastercard, so you just click on pay, and once you click on pay, the money will be deducted directly from your mobile money account like this. I've just made an online purchase. You will receive a message like this. So that's how the money will be deducted. So guys, now with this online purchase, you reach a time that your money goes on reducing from your mobile money account unknowingly. So if you want to stop that, click on the link down in the description, such that you can be able to know how you can be able to stop your money from being deducted automatically from your Airtel virtual Mastercard.